brother, so let me get you up to speed on two things. As you may remember, the rebel corps under Bobby's leadership kidnapped Hope and used her as a shield to escape due punishment from my man. Word has it they're holed up in some sort of secret hideout somewhere. Perhaps this one right here.
Bobby! And the Sally rolls all strong! Is your back by... Probably heard off to Urinetown. Yeah! What do you think? Urinetown? Don't even ask. No one knows for sure. I bet Hawkblade's Harry has his suspicions. Like, you know. Yeah? Sure, kid. Everyone's got suspicions. What if Urinetown? Urinetown's the end! With the brutal punishment no redemption's head.
You're just running and you're hunting when they let you down. They'll box you up and ship you out and call it Urinetown.
They'll box you up and ship you out and call it Urinetown. Town, 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 town.
Those people down in Urinetown, they never get the chance. Dancing on Gary, every Urinetown, and listening at the bottom of the gun. So don't get your hopes up, children. And I say, if they're not back soon, we give it to her, like her daddy was gonna give it to us.
People hear lots of things about Urinetown, and that's just the way we like it. For example, a little boy once asked me, is Urinetown actually a nice place to live? Gingerbread houses along golden, frothy canals? Like Venice, only different? I didn't say yes, and I didn't say no either.
I want them down, damn it! I want my daughter released, and I want Bobby Strong punished.
We're working around the clock, sir. But as that sign says, it's a secret hideout, so...
Enough of your excuses, locked up. You've got plenty of them. Use them.
But, sir...
What is Urinetown? Urinetown's a tool, an instrument of power to enforce fire. To send the juice to all the students and let them understand. If hope is not returned, it's Urinetown for the land. If hope is not returned, it's Urinetown for the land. Dance! Dance! Do they think I'll dance? Those people with my daughter want to make me change my stance. Stand, sticks, forget it. Never not a nine. I'll take them not to take from me what's mine.
We should hurry, sir. The emergency planning form is waiting.
Yes, of course. The Corps.
That was a close one, Bobby. And Bobby are faster for sure.
We'll have to stay on our toes from now on, Mom. At least we can get the rest of these memos out to others throughout the city.
Do you think they'll join us?
It's hard to say, but it's true that everyone has a heart.
What is Urinetown? Urinetown's a lie. A means to keep the foreign check until the day they die. I did not shut the dirty war, but things are different now. We'll fight for right with all our might until we win somehow. We'll fight for right with all our might until we win somehow. How. Dance, dance, listen to it dance. My heart is like a stallion racing through these great plans. Canyons of freedom, that's where it will walk. The forming coronary summer boats.
Your heart is like a stallion?
Come on, Mom. Let's move along the way. Where are they hiding, little Sally? Tell me and I'll see things go easy on you.
Easy on me? Like sending me to the next part of Urinetown.
That can be arranged.
Saving one of your other schoolies, Officer Lockstock. My heart is with the rebellion. And besides, the way I see it, I'm already in Urinetown. We all are. Even you.
Me? In Urinetown?
Sure. The way I see it, Urinetown isn't so much a place as it is a metaphysical place. What is Urinetown? Urinetown is here. It's the town wherever people learn to live in fear. So look around you, finally found a place you last about. For Urinetown
Urinetown. When you're hopeless,